A brief drama unfolded at RO office Imphal yesterday during the scrutiny of candidates for inner Manipur parliamentary seat following BJP candidate T.H. Basantakumar complained about an error made in the affidavit submitted by INC candidate Akoijam Bimol Akoijam. However, the matter was resolved after the legal team of Congress party rectified the error. It is learned that Bimol Akoijam in his Form 26 affidavit mistakenly mentioned Kaisamthong Assembly constituency instead of Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency. To this, Basantakumar lodged a complaint pointing out that the INC candidate had made a substantial error and it was not a mere clerical error, stating that it violated certain sections of Representation of the People's Act 1951. Basanta reportedly mocked if the INC candidate was preparing for Manipur Assembly election. Despite the complaint, the legal team rectified the error and the nomination paper was accepted by the RO. The Congress party termed the move made by the BJP as an unnecessary act.